Unit 2, Lesson 1, Bird Talk by Aileen Fisher. Things, said the robin, things, said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things, said the robin, things, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Question number 1. Name the two birds in the poem. Robin and Jay. Poema savahming pani teka engtenge Robin le Jay. What are the three things that people can't do? People can grow big feathers. People can eat beetles. People can grow wings. Mishing te chu an hmul achang sei achang ve theilawa. Beetles se phung an ei ve theilawa. Tha an nei ve lo. What do birds think of people? Birds think that people are funny. Savate kha mishing te kha eng angin nge an ngai. Savate chu mishing te chu nui zat thak an ti ani. New words. Beetles se phung sitting tui op through wires thir shui funny nui zat thak.